Hooyman Spreaders. The Hooyman 24-volt or manual spreader is a handy, engineered design tool for spreading faster, easier, and comfortably. It's not just user-friendly, but a go-to choice for homeowners and professionals. With a powerful motor, this multi-season spreader covers extensive areas with ease. What's handy is the variable spread rate settings, giving you control over how much you want to spread using the adjustable feed gate system. No more waste or underuse. It has a 35-pound carrying capacity and a lean-back filling feature to minimize any spilling waste. Plus, the chest harness system carrying belt is designed to keep weight perfectly balanced over your shoulder and waist, offering 3 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The proprietary throw disc features a concave design coupled with curved throwing fins to perfectly spread with distance. Aiper Seagull Pro. When summertime is here, many of us can't wait to dive into crystal clear pools. This smart quad motor 200-watt robotic pool cleaner takes care of your pool maintenance with ease. Its intuitive control dial offers 3 cleaning modes, and the 4-color battery indicator lets you monitor the battery status in real time. But what truly sets the Seagull Pro apart is its advanced navigation technology. With wave path navigation, it cleans the bottom of the pool in an S pattern and the pool walls and waterline in an N pattern. It even climbs slope up to 30 degrees, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning area of up to 3,200 square feet. With an extended battery life of up to 180 minutes and charging time of just 90 minutes, the Aiper Seagull Pro makes pool maintenance a breeze. Cavdle. This innovative gadget utilizes ultra-high temperature technology to transform your food waste into compost in as little as 2 hours. With a 2-liter capacity, it can process a wide variety of kitchen food waste, including degradable plastics, paper products, fruit peels, vegetable leaves, fallen leaves, twigs, coffee grounds, eggshells, pasta, and more. Using the waste cycler is simple. Just add your food waste to the chamber and press the start button. The waste cycler handles the rest, grinding and heating the food waste to convert it into compost. The resulting compost can be used to fertilize your plants or add it to your compost bin. Why opt for the Cavdle waste cycler? It reduces greenhouse gas emissions by combating methane emissions from landfills, a potent greenhouse gas that's 25 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. It's incredibly user-friendly, with additional features include 9 modes for different scenarios, a quick mode for rapid pre-composting, a ferment mode to convert balanced food waste into fertilizer. Plus, there's a real-time LCD display to keep you informed about the remaining process time. Bosch PFS. Bosch Paint Spray System. Whether you are painting walls, fences, or sprucing up furniture, this paint sprayer has got you covered. What sets it apart? Well, it's completely brush-free, ensuring a fast and even application on textured surfaces and edges. Thanks to its all-paint technology and a powerful compact 1,400-watt motor with electronic airflow regulation for maximum flow rate, it can handle both wood and wall colors effortlessly. This spray system can cover a speedy 4 square meters per minute. The constant feed function ensures a steady color supply in any position, with the color container and equipped with slotted drive system allows quick refills and easy cleaning. A 4-meter air hose and integrated rollers, maneuvering is effortless. In a nutshell, the Bosch paint spray system is all about making your painting tasks a whole lot easier and more efficient. Makita DUP-361. Makita brings you the cordless pruning shears, an 18-volt powerhouse. This cordless pruning shear combines the convenience of a cordless tool with the performance you'd expect from a corded one. Equipped with 2 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries, it's got the power and precision you need. The sharp forged blades are made in Japan, ensures smooth cutting, and you can easily adjust the blade with a simple touch. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it comes with a soft grip handle and a comfortable backpack harness. And the switch box lets you control the main switch and check for error indications. It even has a handy feature to record and review usage history using an Android smartphone. Thanks to extreme protection technology, it's easy for outdoor use and can handle harsh conditions. The slim design is highly maneuverable even in tight spaces. Overall, the Makita DUP-361 cordless pruning shear is a top-notch choice. StarCut. The Gardena StarCut branch pruners is your solution for hassle-free branch cutting. These pruners are designed to make your gardening tasks an ease. What sets them apart is the adjustable cutting angle of up to 200 degrees. You can easily customize it from the ground to precise cuts in any direction. The steel gear transmission is super tough and offers 12 times more cutting force, making light work of even thick branches. Plus, with the telescopic aluminum handle, you can extend the reach from 3.5 meter for the 160 plus and up to 6.5 meter for the extended 410 plus version. That means you can trim branches up to 6.5 meters high without up and down the ladder. And there's a handy hook for snagging cut-off branches. It's all about simplicity and efficiency with Gardena StarCut. Lazy Spa. Toronto AirJet Plus is a portable and inflatable hot tub that takes relaxation to anywhere with anyone you want to enjoy with. It's designed for up to 7 people and features a 180 AirJet massage system with 2-level massage intensity, plus a foot massager for extra comfort. The Thermocore foam construction makes it up to 40% more energy efficient than standard inflatable hot tubs. It's Wi-Fi compatible, so you can control it with a Lazy Spa app on your smart device or using your voice. Plus, it has Freeze Shield technology to keep you warm when it's cold outside and a power-saving timer you can set. It's quick and easy to set up in 5 minutes and comes with 2 years warranty. It's perfect for those who want comfort and relaxation while being on the go. MillWaukee M12. The MillWaukee M12 is a cordless fan that can be mounted on various surfaces like walls, ceilings, and tripods, with a powerful motor producing up to 400 CFM. It offers 3-speed settings and a 360-degree rotating head for versatile directional airflow. This portable fan boasts 14 miles per hour airspeeds thanks to its 6-inch blade, and it's designed for easy mounting with features like powerful magnets, a spring-loaded clamp, and keyholes. It runs up to 15 hours on an M12 XC 6.0 battery. Subscribe!